Hi, I'm Streaky and this is
Shay.
And this week we're going to do something we haven't done before, which is, because I get sent stuff all the time, we're going to do a live unboxing. So I get sent things, obviously to review and to use and to check out and give my feedback on stuff. So Shay came over to have a little chat and we were going to do a vid, so I decided to go to the post room and pick up my mail. So here we go. I've got a couple of, a box and a bag that I've been sent. I don't know what they are, so I'll open them live now. Hopefully it's not like, you know,
incriminating
tooth whitening for me. Yeah, let's go. So this one, I roughly know what this is because I can see from the name.
I have no idea whatsoever.
So this looks to me...
It's quite exciting, isn't it?
It is. It's Christmas. So this is from, let's see. So this is a company called, who I've reviewed their stuff before, Iffy Audio. Thank you very much, Iffy, for sending us some more stuff. Okay, cool. So this is an iPurifier 3. So I've reviewed the iPurifier 2. I'll link to that above. What this is a USB purifier. So what it does, it takes any noise from the that's coming from the mains into your USB that then is going into my audio interface, and it reverses the phase on the noise so that it cancels that noise out. So you get noise cancellation, and it does work really well. So this number 3 obviously means that it's upgraded. So I'll do another review on the upgraded one to see if it's, I'll do it against the 2, so the 2 and the 3. Do you want to open it? Have a look.
Have a look. Lovely. Oh yeah, you cut that. I don't want to split my hands open.
No, God, you and your delicate fingers.
Oh no.
There it is. Oh, and white as well. Perfect. Thank you, Iffy. White to go with the room.
Look at that. He knows.
Even though no one can see it because it's behind my desk, but the feeling will be right. The vibe's right.
Very nice. Lovely box as well.
So, yeah, no, it comes in a nice big box. So also, wow, this is exciting stuff. So I've got a deck here, obviously for listening to audio, and because I'm a bit of an audio geek, then they've sent me this, which is a iPhono 2. So what this is a phono stage for my deck so that I can hear it better, basically.
So it's the same sort of thing as the USB, it just cancels any noise.
Yeah, exactly right. So what it's doing, it's cancelling the noise. It's got a curve on it. I'll do a video on it, obviously. Lovely bit of packaging.
Look at that.
Love a smooth box.
Look at that.
So yeah, it's got some phono ins, it looks like, and it's got a little earthing thing for your deck.
Earth pin.
And yeah, it's got, oh, I know what this is. Okay, so this has got different curve settings on it for different sounding curves. So you've got a Decca curve, an RIAA curve, and a Columbia curve. So they are different. I'll go into more detail on another video. But lovely little box as well. The good thing about them is that they're not doing big 1U racks of everything. It's all just like really simple stuff. Oh dear, what's that on the back?
Is it like DMX?
As he says, simple. There's like a whole kind of, don't know if you can see that, like loads of little switches on the back. Oh my God, that looks like
sort
a
of DMX lighting switches.
Maths lesson, isn't it? I don't know what they are, but anyway, it looks like there's some extra little tweaks that you can do to it. So yeah, nice one, Iffy. I'll plug that in and give that a run for its money. What else is in here?
Mains.
I don't know, just a power supply. Yeah, it's all very dull.
They feel really good though. I mean, it's solid.
No, it's lovely. I feel that. It's great. Yeah, no, that's brilliant, that. Try that for weightish.
For size.
Yeah, try it.
Try that.
Yeah, it's a nice.
Oh, that's lovely, that. Brushed aluminium. They're not playing around.
No, it's good.
This
it's
is nice.
Gear. Also, yeah, it just doesn't take up loads of space in your room, does it? It looks nice.
Wow. Mic load impedance. Okay. Microfarad reading. Yeah. This is some serious...
Faraday.
This is really
maybe.
good. Yeah, Faraday. That's the guy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a microfarad.
I don't know. You're more of a geek on that than me.
Class A tube state. This is really nice.
Yeah, no, I'm sure it's great. I'll have to have a play around and see what it sounds like. I can't wait.
That's kind of lovely.
Nice one. So, okay, next parcel up.
I'll put these down.
Streaky Pinewood Studios. No, nothing on it at all. Streaky YouTube. Okay, there we go.
At least you know it's not going to be encrypted, hopefully.
Yeah, it's probably a bomb or something.
And cracks.
Okay, there's 2 things in here. Let's see what these are. Alright, so these are some
Brain Vans.
audio M2 in-ear headphones. So let's have a look at these little bad boys. What do they look like? So,
24-month what? Warranty. Oh,
Sandy.
as long as it's not the charging time or something.
Alright, let's see what these are. So these are Brain Wise Audio M2 earplugs in a nice little pouch. Love a pouch. Don't know what these are, so I'll have to check these out and see what they sound like. They look kind of alright. Thanks,
clip.
whoever sent these. Brainwise, I guess, sent them.
Brainwaves.
Brainwaves, yeah, that's it. Yeah, Brainwaves. Yeah, they look alright. I mean, yeah, little gold thing.
Loads of little ear pieces, which is good because we've all got strange ears.
Don't know what they're like. Okay, well, I'll check those out and give them a go. Yeah, no, it's got a kind of a nice ribby feel to it.
Oh, that's nice.
Maybe it'll be alright. Nice and light, anyway. Alright, nice one. Little clip, little clip to go on there.
Little lav clip.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Right, what else is in the box?
Is there more in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brain Vice.
Wavs.
Wavs.
I'm sure it's
brain waves. Yeah, maybe it is brain waves.
Or brain waves.
Brain waves.
Without the E.
Of course
brain
it
waves,
is.
isn't it?
Of course it is.
Must be.
Of course it is. Any audio companies can't just say a normal name. It has to be like...
Play on words, and it's got to be like... You're right there. Whoa. There we go.
Bit of blood on camera.
That was good.
Yeah. Okay. Cushions for headphones.
Where's the headphones?
Don't know.
Oh.
I haven't got the headphones.
I was going to say, like, where are they at?
What are they for? So ear pads for smoother feel for headphones.
I see. What are they? Are they universal? Are they? Do they just fit? Well, they come in 3 different colours. You've got
That's random.
black, blue, 4 different colours. There's a white one there, but you can't really see it on there.
Oh, I like the red.
It's quite nice.
Or the white,
What are they?
obviously.
I take it they just fit around your...
What you've got, yeah. I guess they're must be universal sort of ear plug headphone things.
Well, we don't know what the can size is.
No.
I'm pretty sure my AKGs wouldn't fit that, and they wouldn't fit like Sennheiser HDs.
So yeah, thanks for sending.
Cheers.
But yeah,
I might try those on the AKG headphones.
Why not?
They look like the right size. See what
yeah.
they're like.
Well, there we go. That's it. That's the couple of packages I've got. There's a bit of an unboxing for you. I'll check out the iffy audio stuff and see what that's like. And
I'll have a listen to those
try that.
headphones.
That's it, really. If you've got anything you want us to review, please put it in the comments. If you want more unboxing videos, let me know, and I'll empty some more stuff on screen. And easy.
Yeah.
And yeah, thanks for watching. If you've got this far and you'd like me to master stuff for you, there is a code below for a little discount. And please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.